In this video, you'll learn how to create hyperlinks in Notion. By following these steps, you'll be able to add links to your Notion pages, enhancing the interactivity of your documents. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open your web browser and enter notion.so in the address bar. Once the page loads, you may need to sign in if you are not already logged in. Look for the sign in button located at the top right corner of the screen. After entering your credentials, you will be directed to your Notion workspace. After accessing your workspace, the next step is to create a new page. Locate the sidebar on the left side of the screen. Click on the button labeled New Page or the plus icon to initiate the creation of a new page. A blank page will appear, ready for you to input content. Once the new page is open, you should see a prompt to type a title for your page. Click on the area at the top where it says Untitled and enter the desired title for your page. This title will help you identify the content of the page later. Next, click on a blank space within the body of the page to start adding content. You can simply click anywhere below the title area. This action will allow you to begin typing the text you want to hyperlink. Type the text that you wish to hyperlink. For example, you could write visit Wikipedia or any other phrase that you want to turn into a clickable link. After typing, ensure that the text is selected by clicking and dragging your mouse over it. Once the text is highlighted, look for the formatting options that appear above the text. Click on the option labeled Add Link, which usually looks like a chain link icon. This will prompt a small dialog box to appear. After clicking Add Link, a field will open where you can paste the URL. To do this, you first need to open a new tab in your browser. Navigate to the website you want to link to, such as Wikipedia. In the new tab, find the URL in the address bar and copy it. Return to your Notion page and paste the copied URL into the link field that appeared earlier. You can do this by right-clicking in the field and selecting Paste, or by using the keyboard shortcut Control+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. Once the URL is pasted, click on the button labeled Link to Web Page to confirm the hyperlink. You should see the text you typed earlier now appears as a clickable link. To test the hyperlink, click on the text that you've just turned into a hyperlink. This action should open the link page in a new tab, confirming that your hyperlink works correctly. If you need to make any adjustments, you can always highlight the text again and repeat the link adding process. This flexibility allows you to refine your hyperlinks as needed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.